Exposing the charm in canine obedience, get ready to meet the world's most stunning command dogs. These pups are the total package. First up, the Border Collie. These dogs are not only gorgeous with their sleek coats, but they're also absolute geniuses when it comes to obedience. Next, meet the German Shepherd. Known for their loyalty and versatility, these majestic dogs excel in everything from police work to family life. And let's not forget the Golden Retriever. With their golden coats and friendly nature, they're the stars of obedience trials in your heart. Last but not least, we have the Poodle. Elegant and intelligent, these dogs are the perfect blend of beauty and brains. Love dogs? Hit that like button and subscribe for more pawsome content. See you next time, dog lovers.